Are you preparing for UPSC or defense exams? Welcome to @DefendUPSC, your one-stop destination for comprehensive preparation. Our channel covers a wide array of subjects including geography, polity, history, and science. Welcome to the ultimate study hub for UPSC and defense aspirants. This channel, DefendUPSC, has been exclusively designed to provide the best guidance for your preparation. Picture a study hub where everything you need to ace your exams is right at your fingertips. That's us. We have comprehensive video tutorials covering a wide array of subjects like geography, polity, history, science, and more. But that's not all. We also offer revision sessions to help you retain and revise what you've learned. Whether you're grappling with the complexities of historical events or the intricacies of political theories, we're here to simplify it for you. Just imagine the vast expanse of knowledge waiting for you to explore. With comprehensive video tutorials and revision sessions, you'll find everything you need to excel in your exams. Stay updated with the latest content by joining our community of motivated learners. You see, subscribing to @DefendUPSC is more than just clicking a button. It's an invitation to join a dedicated group of individuals striving to excel in their UPSC and defense exams. With comprehensive video tutorials and revision sessions at your fingertips, why wouldn't you want to be a part of this vibrant learning community? So don't delay. Join our community of motivated learners by hitting that subscribe button to stay updated with the latest content. Conquer the UPSC together with us.